how to delete your Binance account permanently. This process is quite easy, so let's begin. First, you want to open any web browser you have. This will also work on the mobile application, but I'm going to show you with the browser today. So what you want to do is search for Binance first. Once you search for it, this will take you to the official website of Binance. And from here, you need to log into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in. Now I'm going to go to my dashboard. So before you do that, make sure you are logged in. Once you are on your dashboard, what you want to do is click on this drop down on this account section. And if you scroll down, you can see your security option. Just click on it and you can see different options right here. First one is two-factor authentication, then advanced security, then device activities, and finally account management. Once you are on account management, you can see there is an option to delete accounts. So just click on delete. Once you do that, you can choose the reason. I'm going to just choose others and click on continue, then accept the terms and conditions. Then click on I agree and accept to lose all my assets. So if you have any kind of assets or crypto in your account, make sure to withdraw that first before you delete. So just click on delete account. Then you will have to enter the verification code on your email and click on submit. Then your account will be deleted permanently. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.